Hi all, today we are going to see various concepts in cryptography. Before a message is put into a coded form, it is known as plain text message. It is represented by the letter P. The sender of a message uses a cryptographic algorithm to encrypt the plain text message and produce a ciphertext message that is represented by letter C. This message is transmitted by some physical or electronic means to the recipient. The recipient then uses a predetermined algorithm to decrypt the ciphertext message and retrieve the plain text version. All cryptographic algorithms rely on keys. What is key? The key is nothing but a very large binary numbers. This is used to maintain their security. What is key space? Is the range of values that are valid for use as a key for a specific algorithm. See, there are different types of algorithm. Different types of algorithm requires different types of keys. In private key, that is in symmetric key algorithm, it uses a single shared key. In public key cryptography system, each participant has their own pair of key. Cryptographic keys are also known as crypto variables. The art of creating and implementing secret codes and cipher is known as cryptography. This practice is paralleled by the art of cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis is nothing but study of method to defeat code and cipher. Cryptography and cryptanalysis are commonly referred to as cryptology. Specific implementation of code or cipher in hardware and software are known as cryptosystem.